We just received for our review this Sherpa blanket by Bedsure. We love Bedsure. Their motto is get cozy, and boy, do we love getting cozy. And the Sherpa blanket all of a sudden is very intriguing to me. This is their biggest size, and let's look exactly what we're looking at here. Oh, whoa. Okay, so the short edition, meaning it doesn't go all the way to the floor, which is nice. It's got some side pockets, a hoodie. It's extremely soft. Let's put it on and let's pretend we're Santa Claus for a bit. And as expected, extremely warm. I'm almost sweating already. And it's super, super, guess what? Cozy. I love the fact that this is like a sweater, literally around my wrist, very comfortable and tight. And this thing fits amazingly. This is their biggest size, and let me tell you, you've got a lot of room to be in there. And I love look at this. Look at that nice little plushy material inside of those pockets. Super comfortable, and the same material is all around the hoodie. Now I really do feel like I can either be cozy or literally go and be on an iceberg somewhere. I'm going to be warm all winter long.